What's up, all you Kiff people?
All the shotgun blues got me slipping and sliding, coming around for more, but you will never ever know that if you're looking for the light and if you wanna be smiling, open up your mind, boy, spread it and go. Shotgun blues got me slipping and sliding, coming around for more, but you will never ever know. And if you wanna be shining bright and if you wanna be smiling, open up your mind, boy, spread it and go.
Okay, so we're out here. We are going to Eau Bleu, and I haven't been there before. Have you?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think we've been there.
No, I think I went with Grandpa.
Did you go with Grandpa?
I think so.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, off we go. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we found a little parking field straight off the main road. Probably for 4 or 5 cars here, but other than that, I think you just park on the side of the road, which is pretty typical for Mauritius. You can just kind of do that most places. How's that view behind me? What? Look at that. Alright, now we're going to try to find the path. Alright, I will flip-flops. I don't think it was a good idea. Why not?
Because, why do you think? I mean, it's possible.
No, bro, I'm not going down there. That's like a flippin' cliff face. Yeah. But we may be going too far down. Hey guys, so this is I'm just going to tell you, wear shoes. Like hiking shoes if you've got, or trainers or something, because flip-flops is not cutting it for me. I'm hoping we make it to the bottom. Yeah, I know you got shoes, Boo, but I got flip-flops. I should have listened to you. Yeah, anyway. We found it. Nice. Yeah. Here we are, Eau Bleu, and it really is beautiful. Now it's time for a swim, because I'm hot, because my life is spent in black t-shirts. Wow, I have no idea. Go!
Oh my!
Oh, there's a snake! There's a snake! You can see we were up there. We had to like traverse down a bit to come to this beautiful pool with this amazing waterfall. What a beautiful place to be, man. Hey? Lovely.
Oh! No way, bro, did it! No way! Let's go, Dad! Let's go!
Not that bad.
Sure.
Oh, that's not. All right, it has occurred to us that perhaps we didn't find the real Eau Bleu, where the water is like that turquoise blue. So we've decided to come further down the cascades to see if we can find it. We may have found it, but if we have, we're at the top of the waterfall. So now we're going to try and make our way down to the bottom and figure out how to get to that really turquoise water. But we might be wrong as well, so, you know.
I think it evaporated.
You think it evaporated?
Yeah.
It's possible.
Look.
It's possible.
Oh, Dad,
Yeah,
do you regret bringing slops?
I do. Such a cheeky little. Yeah. Okay, we have now found we came further up the waterfall. We found more pools. Not sure which is the right one though, but they're all beautiful. Look at that. All right, so I don't think this is the official Eau Bleu, but we have found another beautiful rock pool to swim in.
It's super blue.
It is blue and it's very clear.
Turquoise.
And we've got a like purple dragonfly cruising around. I'll try and get that. But we're gonna go for another swim because,
Why not?
you know, why not? Okay, just so you are aware, this isn't one of those like tourist, I mean it's a tourist place, but it's not, hey, we're going to build a nice platform for tourists to look at the waterfall. This isn't the case. This is pretty wild. There's a path. It's a little bit undefined, but there is a path. So explore, be safe, and you'll be rewarded. It's really a beautiful place to come and see.